Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting signal into the iPhone. Plug your guitar into a compatible Lightning interface or adapter and allow Garageband microphone access. Once done, open Garageband and tap plus, choose tracks, then electric guitar or amp designer so you have an amp-ready track. Make sure input monitoring is enabled so you hear the amp while you play, and glance at the level meter to avoid clipping. If levels are low, raise interface gain. If peaking, lower it. Now you're ready to shape tone. You'll now craft the sound and prepare to record. First, pick an amp model, cabinet and up to 3 stomp effects, experiment and save a preset you like. Next, enable the metronome and set tempo and time signature so your takes lock in with timing. Use GarageBand's tuner to verify tuning, then arm the guitar track and check input levels to avoid red clipping. If latency bothers you, switch to lower buffer/monitoring settings. When everything sounds right, hit record and play your part. You finish by editing and exporting your performance. Open Tracks View to trim and split takes, drag regions, and use Quantize for minor timing fixes. Copy good phrases into a comp. Add amp automation or an EQ strip and balance levels with reverb for depth. When satisfied, tap My Songs, share and export to files, voice memos, or music. If you get no input signal, check cable connections, confirm microphone permission, ensure the interface has power, toggle input monitoring, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.